Hello friends, this is very good news for all the job aspirants. This is a recruitment from Central Board of Secondary Education. This is a post for Superintendent and Junior Assistant. Here you can see the number of posts category wise and the maximum age limit. For Superintendent post, there is an age limit of 30 years, but which is relaxable up to 5 years for the reserved categories. And if we talk about the number of seats, we have 21 seats for SC, 10 seats for ST, and 38 seats for OBC, NCL, EWS 14 seats, UR 59 seats. So total there are 142 posts. And for junior assistant, the maximum age limit is 27 years, also relaxable up to 5 years for the reserved categories. And SC 9 seats, ST 9 seats, OBC 34, EWS 13, UR 5, total 70 posts. And if we talk about the application date, it starts from 2nd January 2025 to 31st January 2025. So if you want to apply, please apply it before 31st January 2025. And if we talk about the eligibility criteria, okay, so this is the age limit. SC ST 5 years relaxation, OBC 3 years, and PWBD unreserved including women 10 years, PWBD OBC NCL 13 years, and PWBD SC ST including women 15 years. Also particularly for women there are 10 years relaxable. And departmental candidates, no age limit. So your date of birth should match with your matriculation or secondary examination certificate or your mark sheets of matriculation certificate. So this is the essential qualifications or the eligibility. So for superintendent post, one should have a bachelor's degree in any stream from a recognized university, and also working knowledge of computer. And the matter of recruitment for superintendent post, there are 2-tier exams. The first tier is MCQ based preliminary screening examination, which is a prelim exams. If you qualify on the prelim exams, the candidate will get a chance, or the candidate will qualify to appear the tier 2 exams, which is an objective type as well as descriptive type. So these are the second exam. Tier 2 is the main examinations, and also there will be a skill test for typing. One should have a 35 words per minute in English or 30 words per minute in Hindi. And for junior assistants, one should have a class 12 and also a typing speed of 35 words per minute in English or 30 words per minute in Hindi. And for junior assistant, there are only one exam, which is a MCQ based preliminary screening examinations, and a typing speed of 35 words per minute in English or 30 words per minute in Hindi. And regarding the application fees for unreserved categories and OBC and EWS, application fees is rupees 800 for each post. If a candidates want to apply for 2 posts, then it will be 1600. But for the other categories, SC, ST, PWBD, ex-servicemen, women, departmental candidates, so the fees are relaxable. There is no fees is required. So the mode of payment, here you can see the payment can be made by using debit cards. One can pay by using debit cards or credit cards or internet banking. And this is the scheme of examination. This is very important. Here you can see for the superintendent post, there will be 2-tier examination followed by skill test, which is qualifying in nature, as I had mentioned earlier. And this is very important. This is the syllabus for the preliminary examination for superintendent post. The examination will be conducted for 3 hours, and here it is given a number of questions. Part 1, 30 questions and 90 marks. Part 2, general ability, general intelligence, logical reasoning and analytical ability, 30 questions and 90 marks. And in part 3, we have arithmetical and numerical ability, data interpretation, 30 questions, 90 marks. Geometry, statistics, and in part 4, we have general Hindi, which is 15 plus 15 questions, 30 marks, and 30 questions, this is for 90 marks. And also general English, general Hindi 15 questions, general English 15 questions for 90 marks, so 45 marks each. Part 5, we have computer proficiency, basic computer software, working with internet and emails, basics of networking and cyber security. So this is for 90 marks and 30 questions. So total, the preliminary exam for the superintendent post will be conducted for 450 marks and 150 questions. And for the main examinations for the superintendent post, this is the syllabus. Current affairs, number of questions 10, total marks 30, and descriptive type, number of questions 4 and total marks 20. So basically the main examinations would be the combination of objective type and descriptive type. Also Indian history and culture, Indian economy, Indian geography, science and technology, concepts, issued and dynamics of public administration and management syllabus, Constitution of India, polity, governance, Atlas, English language and comprehension. So the main examination would be 50 questions, 150 marks for the objective type, and 30 questions for 150 marks for descriptive type. So please remember that. And for junior assistant post, these are the syllabus. There are only one examination, which is an objective MCQ type examination for the junior assistant post. These are the syllabus. Part 1, general knowledge, current affair, and general awareness about the environment. Question will be set in bilingual. Number of questions 30, total marks 90. And part 2, reasoning and mathematical ability, 25 questions for 75 marks. Part 3, we have general Hindi and English, 25 questions for 75 marks. Part 4, basic knowledge of computer operation, 10 questions for 30 marks. Part 5, awareness about school education, examination board and its administration, etc. So this is for 10 questions which carries 30 marks. So the duration of the test would be 2 hours and the number of questions 100 and the total marks 300. So the choice of medium of questions and exam papers. So medium of examination will be bilingual, both in Hindi and English. So the examination would be conducted in different cities of India. At first we have Vijayawada, that is in Andhra Pradesh, Guwahati, Assam. So for the candidates of northeastern India, their examination center would be in Guwahati, Assam. Also, we have an examination center in Patna, Chandigarh, Delhi, Noida, Bengaluru, Thiruvananthapuram, Bhopal, Pune, Bhubaneswar, Asmar, Chennai, Prayagraj, and Dehradun. So that's all. The other things are not much important. I have discussed all the important details of this recruitment or advertisement. So kindly share it to your friends, your relatives, so that they may also be aware of this advertisement and apply for the same. Thank you for bearing with me, and please like and share it to your friends. Thank you.